Hello my friends, welcome to our morning video. So KLCI really stay above 1525. So yesterday that I talked about this one, right? So most probably this spike really got supported when got substance one. It's not an empty push So today still staying above 1525. See, the evening can stay above 1525. If evening stay above 1525, right, means it's really this time it's really the institution up pushing up the KLSE Okay, hey, before that, don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, don't forget this. Support the channel. Okay, let's check out the disclaimer first. Yesterday video a bit long. Today make it shorter. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out the market today. Check out Bursa. Okay, Bursa sentiment 57, not bad. You see gainers 437, right? Got substance one, not empty one. Losers is 325. So holding, you see, even go up today 5 points, 1539. So this one almost like saying that the market really this time is pushing up. No joke one. Okay, consumer went up 0.27. Industry, I said industry strong, right? You see, continue rebound 0.83. Construction 0.34 up. Technology also start to rebound 0.89. Finance 0.17. Not a lot. Property still down. Plantation up 0.05. RET 0.2 up. 0.02 up. Energy still starting to rebound, but energy need to think twice. Okay, healthcare still got some rebound today. 0.82 slow down a bit. Telecommunication up down 0.54. Transportation 0.31, utility 0.07. But this rebound, right, really got a question mark because now the Omicron starting to spread again. Once we so we waited so long, right, for this rebound. But just when this rebound started only, you see the Omicron now starting to spread globally. So really not easy to play now. Just too many, still a lot of question mark still, so want to play, still play, don't throw everything in yet so the market is still very uncertain and it's still quite dangerous the market is still quite dangerous haven't settled down yet okay, so let's check out KLCI okay, so KLCI okay, having some resistance over here. I think there's a resistance. I think it's here. Yeah, 1546. So many lines here. Let me see. Here got one. Here got one. Here got one. Yeah, around here, 1553. Okay, so the next resistance is somewhere here, but there is some resistance now over here, which is the top over here. So there is a small resistance over here, so it's struggling to go through. There's a gap over here, right? So it's supposed to go back and cover the gap but now it's somewhere stuck here, a little bit stuck. So we had to see in the evening lah. But RSI above 50 still strong lah. Possible, I think there could be a slowdown here before it goes up lah. Because you see, it reband so far, right? It need to stop a little, maybe need to rest a bit lah. Maybe need to slow down a bit before it goes up again. But looks like the market turned bullish. Okay, the market has turned bullish for now. Okay, so look at the top gainers. Okay, Genetech, I bought just now. I checked Genetech. Haven't break through yet. Nestle no volume. But Petronas Dagang have to wait long time. MPI got some volume lah. Maybe take a look at MPI. MPI, PMB Tech also got some volume. PMB Tech. Take a quick look, PMB Tech. Nothing. PMB Tech got nothing. Hong Leong Financial Group. Hong Leong Financial Group maybe want to rebound. This one. Hong Leong Financial Group in the bottom channel, force break now, come back up. Looks like want to go through. Looks like want to rebound. This one. Let me see. Okay, this one probably can park some. If it can stay above 117.440 today, right? Possible can park some here. First target will be 17.8. Second target will be 18.6. A top channel around here lah. So probably we are looking for this one to rebound to the top channel over here 7%. So you know lah, this type of bank cannot get 20% one It's not it's not a small cap lah. So this one, probably this one got chance. And what else we got here? Hong Seng not yet breakthrough. And we look at AEMULUS Kobayi lah. We look at AEMULUS Kobayi, IHH, and also IHH also got volume. Also maybe take a look at PIE. Also possible P Metal already holding. Okay, P Metal already break up already. This one. Okay, we're already in. So maybe take a look at let me see. Jinhin already take profit already. This one. Inari also got big volume. Take a look at Inari. Inari. Okay, I saw Airport also got something today. Just take a quick look at Airport very fast. Airport, I think, can pick some bottom over here. If we stay above 5.8, maybe can pick some bottom. First target. When market just started to rebound, this Omicron now starting to spread. This is just the wrong time, wrong day, wrong situation, right? When we retarget the market so long, okay, for the opportunity to rebound, they mark everything here, Really mark everything here. Now Omicron start to spread. Okay, so this one possible can pick some bottom, keep or pick some bottom, keep. Really want to add, really want to target is this one. Once we go through this 6.15, maybe it's a real target no bank target no bank target. Peng also didn't put target You guys got any bank target or not for this one? If you know, please put in the comment there. If your group got any sharing here. So most likely, I think the target would be around 7.7 here. Look at this. This is not very strong. 7.2 I put it. This wave is not very strong. This wave come back to the bottom here. This wave actually come back to the bottom. So this one not very strong. Look at 6.4 first. 6.45. If we can go through, then you add. If we cannot go through, then maybe take profit here. This one a bit 10%. Or take this one first. Look at this 6.45. If we can go through, we will add in, play the channel. If we cannot go through, maybe we want to take profit here. Okay. Airport AEMULUS. AEMULUS today also continue to go up. Our favorite technology stock, my favorite. I don't know if it's your favorite or not. Starting slowly to go up. 1.26. Our first target, second target 1.46. So this one today got a bit sell down, but still it's slowly rebounding from the bottom channel. We really play many times. This one last time also I got play here. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Or this one maybe it's the 4th time. We wait and see. AEMULUS. PESTECH today also got rebound. PESTECH. Okay, PESTECH look like want to rebound. From the this bottom channel already PESTECH bottom channel rebound. RSI you go to 50, but a lot of selling today wait for another 1-2 days first. Wait for it to turn green first. Now it's still a lot of selling here. Maybe I highlight it. I will not go in first. Looking at this, I'm gonna go in, but this one definitely we want to watch PESTECH Kobai. Okay, so Kobai almost that day already come back here, starting to rebound already. Kobai still continue to hold. RSI go through 50, very good. This is very good. Okay, we want this to happen. RSI went through 50 and went below 50, go back up. You see last time here, right? RSI go below 50 and go back up, right? The history, right? It pump up, right? So hopefully this one can pump up. Okay, so Kobai still hold, looks good for now. PIE. PIE dropped out already. It even hit the stop loss last time. Not so good. Last time hit stop loss. Now it's trying to go back up. So this one still have to wait and see. This one you have to go up above 3.86. Okay, then only we want to target the top channel here. This one have to wait. PIE have to wait. So this one we suffer some loss here. So we don't win every trade. Remember PIE, you already make it 1 time. We already profit 2 times. So we lost 1 time. We already win 2 times. Angel today also got some rebound. Angel I would say, because I look at the still not strong. Angel, any rebound, if your guys already bought high here, right, it's for you guys to run one. Want to invest, I don't think so yet. IHH got volume every day, but haven't break through the top. So until it break through 6.8, I'm not buying because this is the top. A lot of selling here, so I'm not buying here. MPI still got some volume today. Look at MPI. Okay, MPI still hold, still okay, still going sideways. Inari today got volume, suddenly. Look at that, Inari. Inari, we really take profit over here. We really play over here, so it's coming up, not yet. Inari, how to play this one? Let me see. Channel. Probably want to go up. Okay, we take another look tonight. I think this one can want to go back to this 4.25. Want to go back to this target. But wait tonight, this one. Because I need to see whether it can close out. It can actually break through or not. Let me see. It broken through. This one wait for the evening. Wait for evening. Okay, so that's it for today. Morning session. So see you in the evening session. Bye bye.